Welcome. In this short video I will explain KANO model, what it is and how to use it to understand customer needs. Let's get started. Hello to Six Sigma Mania. My name's Eric. This channel is here to help you understand Six Sigma, lean and project leading principles easy way. KANO model talks about relationships between customer expectations and processes that should fulfill this expectation. You are the customer, as well as other customers. You have some needs and expectations to be fulfilled when you enter any store or buying any product. There are two types of expectations: musts and delighters. Musts are ones that are taken as granted, ones we do not even think about too much, like our safety or kitchen cleanness in a restaurant. Delighters are not expected, so when customer receive it, is surprised and pleased. It can be something extra, like unexpected discount, or small candy at your hotel room pillow. Customer satisfaction is not influenced when no delighter received, but if received, it can positively influence his opinion. Both expectation are perceived in parallel with client basic need. Basic need is why he entered your store, like to buy something. There is directly proportional relationship between fulfilling of needs and satisfaction. So as much as you fulfill customer wishes, his satisfaction is growing. Notice, there are two customer categories. One who comes to the store spend his money. He is called final customer, and of course the most important one. The other can be your colleague on following process. In the restaurant it can waiter for a cook. In production it can be warehouseman for a machinist. In the office it can be production scheduler to supply chain coordinator. And so on. Both customer categories must be treated the same way, because we are influencing their lives by our product or process quality. So, now think about, what are your customers or colleagues' real expectations? And what kind of delighters you can give them? Do not forget, Six Sigma is referring to a data-driven improvement cycle. Do your decisions based of understanding customer real needs, by using data. Check out a video explaining voice of customer method that helps to understand better customer requirements. Check out also my blog, where you can find material, examples and templates for your free usage. KANO model template included. You find link under the video. I post Lean Six Sigma and project-oriented videos regularly. So if you find this video helpful, give us a like. We'll be more than happy to have you in our online community. Hit the subscribe button and join Sigma Maniacs. Do not hesitate to post your comments, questions, or themes you are interested in to see on this channel. Looking forward to meeting you with the next video or in the store where all customers are pleased and delighted.